we'll guide you through how to edit videos in Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and switch to the video editing workspace by selecting it from the top menu. This will bring up the video sequencer, where you can start your editing project. Next, you need to import your video files. Go to the Add menu, choose Movie, and navigate to the folder where your video files are stored. Select the files you want and click Add Movie Strip. Your video clips will now appear in the sequencer timeline. To trim your clips, move the playhead to the desired position, press K to cut, and then use the right mouse button to select and delete unwanted sections. If you want to add transitions like a crossfade, select the two clips, press Shift-A, and choose the type of transition. You can adjust the duration by clicking and dragging the ends of the transition in the timeline. For adding text overlays, go to the Add menu, choose Text, and a text strip will appear in the timeline. Click on the strip to edit the text in the sidebar under the text panel. You can change the font, size, and color as needed. To add background music, import an audio file by going to Add, then Sound. Align it with your video clips in the timeline for synchronization. Before exporting, you need to adjust the render settings. Go to the Output Properties tab and set your desired resolution and frame rate. Then, in the Output section, choose where to save your file and the format. Finally, click on Render Animation in the Render menu to export your video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.